Hey everyone, welcome back to the Silver Lining, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Sarah, and today I have the May Joyful Jordan box in my hands. I actually received it a little bit early because as a consultant with Jordan Essentials, I have the opportunity to earn it for free and early each month by submitting $500 the month before. So in April, I submitted at least $500 by the 15th, so I was able to get the May Joyful Jordan box early, and it just came and I haven't even opened it, so I'm opening it with you right now. Let's go. Just a few reminders about the Joyful Jordan box. This is Jordan Essentials monthly subscription box. It's a surprise each month, and it ships for free to anyone who has a subscription. You can start or stop your subscription at any time, and this can also be purchased one time on a party order or a single order if the items inside are exactly what you're looking for. The Joyful Jordan box is typically full of some exclusive products, maybe some items from our regular collections. Either way, it's always a great deal at $29 with at least a $40 value. So this month in May, inside the box of awesomeness is a postcard, and the postcard says, "The perfect recipe for possibility, half sunshine and half belief." And that is a quote from Nancy Bogart, the founder and owner of Jordan Essentials. And on the back is always a little blip of what's inside. So it looks like, if you've been around for a while, the exclusive Coco Mango is back in our shave cream and shea butter, and a little dose of skin relief. So let's see what these items are all about. First is the shaving cream. It says, "Get summer ready legs with creamy shea butter infused shaving cream. Simply smooth over skin and shave. Bonus, it lasts longer than shaving with traditional soap." Pro tip, if you mix it with a little dollop of our salt scrub, it's sure to get super close shave, because exfoliating before you shave gets your shave really close. Our salt scrubs never have any mineral oil in them, so they are gentle on your skin, easy to use, and as they rinse off after you shave, they don't leave the bottom of the shower slippery, and also they don't clog up your razor. Next is the shea body butter in the Coco Mango. And if you haven't had a chance to smell the Coco Mango, it smells exactly like you would think it is. A douse of sunshine. Perfectly mixed with that sweet mango and coconut fragrance. So the shea body butter hydrates your skin to a summer glow. Thirsty skin will love the shea butter, and you will love the Coco Mango fragrance as your go-to body lotion, especially for spring and summer. Next is our ever popular skin relief. This is definitely something that everyone should have in their sundries for the summer. The skin relief is so good for sunburn and after sun lotion. What it says on the postcard is, "Toss this little tub into your bag to soothe windburn, sunburn, super dry feet, elbows, and hands. Enriched with aloe, green tea, chamomile, seaweed, and unscented shea butter." So the skin relief, just to add on to that, is unscented, so it can be boosted with your favorite essential oil blend or essential oil single note, just to boost these benefits even more. So Jordan Essentials has your go-to trio for the month of May. Make sure you grab one for yourself, grab an extra, grab one for your friend. This is going to be a great set of products for you to have going into the summer months and warmer weather. If you have any questions about any of the products in this Joyful Jordan box or any of the products in our collections, you can check out the links below, where I'll have my web store as well as a link to our virtual flip book, so you can check out the entire catalog from your electronic device. If I can help in any way, please reach out. I'm happy to do so. Thank you so much for being here and watching this quick little peek at the May Joyful Jordan box. I'm happy to have you, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.